Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I will show you how much money I have earned from Fiverr affiliates. So you can see I have earned $250, yes, $250 from Fiverr affiliates. But the real thing is how I have earned this money. This is the real thing. I will show you each and everything how you can make money from Fiverr affiliates with advanced techniques. Yes, you should watch complete video, and first of all, if you haven't subscribed my channel, you should subscribe this channel to to know about more amazing online earning methods. You just need to go to digital helping page and then click on subscribe button, and don't forget to click on bell icon. So let me give you a quick overview if you are a beginner. So quickly, just you will click on join button, then you will just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm password, account type. You can create as a private, okay. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can put your Facebook URL or YouTube URL. That will be your choice. This is not a big deal. Country, English, Skype. You just need to create Skype account, absolutely free, and then you will just need to click. Okay, let me show you how you can create your free account on. Wait a minute. Skype account. Skype. You just need to go to click over there on Skype, and then you can create free account on Skype, right? And then after that, you just need to fill up this all formality. After that, you will get dashboard like this, okay. Or after that, you just need to click on marketing tools and then default and deep links, and you will paste your links over here. I'm going to show you how you can do this, so watch complete video to understand the complete method. Okay, so first of all, we will go to first method, okay. You just need to go to Medium, and then you will just need to write medium.com, and you can create amazing blog for it. You don't need to do anything. I'm going to show you each and everything. You just need to click over here for the blog post, and I have already created a script, or you can paste your script over here, and then you just need to you can put your affiliate links over here. If the visitors will come over here, they will click on the link, and then they will redirect to Fiverr. I'm showing you each and everything, don't worry. So first of all, you just need to create some simple template or simple article for this. If you want article or script for your affiliate links, you should comment 10. I need 10 comments on this video. I will give you absolutely free script template, and you can use them easily. Okay, so you can create your account on Medium, and then you can create free blogs, and you can put your affiliate link. You can put affiliate link like this. You will just need to click over here, and then you can paste your affiliate link, but you cannot paste your link directly. I'm going to show you each and everything. For example, the thing is how you can do this. I'm going to show you. Okay, for example, you are going to promote YouTube SEO. For example, this gig. You just need to go to there, and you just need to select some gig from Fiverr, and simply you can check the ratings and reviews from that gig. So for example, I have chosen this gig, and then I'm going to click over here. This is just an example, and I'm going to promote this gig, right? So I just need to copy this gig from here like this, and then I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to my Fiverr affiliate dashboard, like Fiverr affiliate dashboard, and then I will just need to click over here, then I will just paste over here, check, uncheck, or uncheck. Okay, so this link will be my affiliate link. I have just copied and then I'm going to paste over there. For example, this is just a random example. Okay, I have already told you that this link has been pasted over here. The second method is very interesting and I have got a lot of money from that method. Of course, I am sharing you complete method. The second method is promote on Quora. If you don't know about Quora, Quora is a social site where you can answer public questions. Okay, this is only of my favorite methods to promote any affiliate programs or links. As you all that Quora is like a gold mine from which you can drive free and targeted traffic to your website or to your landing page. Yes. So what you will do, you just need to go to Quora like this. I'm going to show you. You just need to go to Quora and then you will just need to create an account, free account from here, there, and then you will just need to put your answers according to questions, right? And then you can promote your links and then after that you just need to promote your Medium link over there, right? This blog link, because you cannot promote your links, direct affiliate links on any social site, otherwise you will get banned. So you just need a landing page. You just don't need to create landing page because I have already show you can create blog on Medium, right? So you can promote your links via Mediums. You can post your Medium links on Quora and then easily you can get traffic. Targeted traffic is very necessary if the person is related to, for example, I am telling you about that I want to promote YouTube SEO offers. You don't need to work on Fiverr. You just need to promote gigs and you will get commission. Simple. The thing is, if you promote this gig, your targeted audience should be related to YouTube SEO. I mean, searching YouTube. I mean, he or she, they wants to buy some services about YouTube SEO. So they will see your answer on Quora and then they will click on your link and after they redirect to this page, right? This is the method to earn money online via Fiverr affiliates. I have shown you simple method and I have earned $250 with this method. Simple. So this is very interesting thing I have discussed with you, and this is not a big rocket science. You can make money easily if you follow complete method, if you follow right method, so you can make easily. So this is not a big rocket science. The thing is a very interesting one more method that I have used, I'm going to share with you. So guys, you will select some business directory. Okay, for example, I have searched for United States and you will find some businesses over here. Okay, so find a business. Okay, you will click over here or you can find easily businesses from here. So New Zealand local businesses directory. Okay, for example, I'm going to select New Zealand local business directory, this one. Okay, and you will find different businesses over here. For example, manufacturing, massage therapist. So I'm going to share with you complete method. 1 second. Okay, so you will get 1 second. Okay, so you can see there is a lot of businesses in the United States, California. Okay, so what you will do? You will do just simple thing, very simple thing if you follow the complete method. Wow. Okay, you just need to click over here. For example, Farmhouse Cafe. Now I'm going to click over here and then the real thing will start from here. Okay, then you will just need to click over here on the Facebook, or you can search their website. You will click over there and easily you can see their website, and then you will just need to click on contact button, and then you can easily email them. For example, this website has not optimized as well. You can see there is not HTTPS. I will not go in the technical things, but I am going to show you very correct things. So no problem if you are not technical, no problem, you can do this. So you will not just need to click over here on contact page, and then after that you can easily email them. Easily you can email them, and you can tell them if you want YouTube SEO services, or different services, or website services, or web designing services, or SEO services, or paid marketing services. So you can select any website and you can email them. Then when they will click on that link, your affiliate link, or they buy services from Fiverr, you will get commission. That's it. Very simple. That's it. So I will share you more methods, more earning methods, more things in the next video. Hope this video will help you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video, and please comment 10. I need 10 comments, so I will give you absolutely free script for email, and you will get absolutely free traffic, and you can get many more commission. Okay, so take care.